Ever feel like your brain is running on 2% battery? Like you sit down to study or work, but your focus evaporates faster than your motivation on a Monday morning? What if I told you that boosting your brain power is as easy as playing a game, staring at a candle, or even chewing gum? Sounds too good to be true? Well, today we're unlocking 6 ridiculously simple brain exercises that can help you. Think faster. Goodbye, mental fog. Remember more. No more "what was I saying" moments. Focus like a monk, even in a noisy room. And the best part? No boring textbooks or impossible habits required. Let's dive in. Number 1. The 5-minute brain warm-up. Trick your brain into focus mode. Your brain is like Wi-Fi. Some days it loads at 5G speeds. Other days, dial up. And if you don't warm it up properly, your focus will be all over the place. Try this. Before tackling any mentally demanding task, do a quick brain warm-up. Here's a 2-step exercise. Step 1. The 5-4-3-2-1 game. Look around and name 5 things you see, 4 things you hear, 3 things you can touch, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. Why it works. This forces your brain into present moment awareness, switching it from autopilot mode to full focus mode. Step 2. Speed read something random. Grab any book, article, or even a cereal box. Read 1 paragraph out loud as fast as you can. Repeat with another paragraph, but slower. Why it works. This wakes up your processing speed and helps your brain adjust to absorbing information quickly. Pause here and try this warm-up right now. Let me know in the comments how it feels. Number 2. The dual N-back game, the ultimate memory workout. If your memory is worse than a goldfish's, this one's for you. Scientists found that playing the dual N-back game can increase your IQ and improve working memory. How it works. You see a sequence of shapes and hear a sequence of sounds. Your job? Remember what you saw, just heard 2 turns ago. Sounds easy, but it's surprisingly challenging, and that's the point. It forces your brain to hold and manipulate information in real time, just like a muscle getting stronger with weights. Want to try? Just search Dual N-back in the App Store or Play Store. It's free. Number 3. The 3-minute focus drill. Train your brain like a monk. Your attention span is shrinking. Blame TikTok, social media, or modern life. But the average person now struggles to focus for more than 8 seconds, less than a goldfish. Fix it with this exercise. Grab a candle or a digital timer if you don't want fire hazards. Stare at the flame for 3 minutes straight. If your mind drifts, gently bring it back. Why it works. This builds attentional endurance. So when you actually need to focus, studying, working, reading, your brain doesn't give up after 30 seconds. Bonus. If candles feel too dramatic, try focusing on your breath instead. Same effect, fewer fire hazards. Number 4. The Memory Palace hack. Store information like a genius. Ever forget someone's name 5 seconds after meeting them? That's because your brain doesn't store random information well. It needs a system. The Memory Palace technique is how Sherlock Holmes memorizes entire crime scenes. And get this, real-life memory champions use it to memorize thousands of numbers, words, and facts. How to use it. Pick a place you know well, your house, school, or favorite cafe. Attach information to specific locations inside it. Whenever you need to recall something, walk through your mental house. Example, your front door, the periodic table, your fridge, the math formula you keep forgetting, your bathroom mirror, your history dates. Why it works. Your brain remembers places better than random facts, so pairing the 2 together makes recall effortless. Number 5. The 20-second dopamine trick. Make studying addictive. Your brain loves dopamine. That's why it craves scrolling, gaming, and junk food. But what if you could hijack dopamine to make studying just as addictive? Try this. Before studying, do something fun for 20 seconds. Play your favorite song. Do 10 jumping jacks. Eat a piece of chocolate. Then start your task immediately. Why it works. Your brain links the fun thing with the boring thing, so studying starts to feel enjoyable instead of painful. Use this trick, and your brain will start craving deep work like it craves Netflix. Sneaky, right? Number 6. The 10-minute thinking challenge. Unlock genius-level ideas. Einstein came up with the theory of relativity while staring out of a window. Steve Jobs took long walks to solve problems. Coincidence? Nope. Your best ideas come when your brain is free to think, not when it's overloaded with distractions. Try this. Set a 10-minute timer. Stare at a blank wall, out a window, or just sit still. Let your thoughts wander, but don't check your phone. Why it works. Forces your brain to slow down and think deeply. Increases creative problem solving. Helps you connect random ideas into something brilliant. Warning, you might unlock genius-level ideas. Don't blame me if you suddenly invent the next big thing. Final takeaway, train your brain, change your life. Your brain isn't fixed, it's a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Here's your brain upgrade plan. 1. Do a 5-minute warm-up before focusing. 2. Play dual end back for 10 minutes a day. 3. Use the candle drill to improve attention span. 4. Memorize things with the memory palace. 5. Hack dopamine to make studying feel fun. 6. Take 10 minutes a day to just think. Try just one of these today, and I promise, you'll feel your brain firing up like a supercomputer. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below. I read them all. And if you want more brain hacks that actually work, hit that subscribe button. Let's turn your brain into an unstoppable learning machine. Until next time, train smart, not hard.